Aerie fam, my name is Bella Lamb and I am an Aerie Real Changemaker. Today I'm so excited to share with you my journey as an entrepreneur and starting Coconut Whisk, and also why it is very important to celebrate and honor AAPI Heritage Month, not only this month, but every month. In the spring of 2018, I launched Coconut Whisk because I didn't see any vegan and gluten-free baking mixes on the shelves, and so I started this as a passion project, which turned into a growing, mission-driven business that I never thought would be possible for someone like me. Being an Aerie Real Changemaker has been so meaningful for Coconut Whisk. We were able to use the grant from Aerie to help us fund our new brick and mortar shop in downtown Minneapolis, and I honestly don't think I could do it without their support. We were able to invest in renovation, equipment, and furniture, and so we're just really excited to open our space and make it as inclusive and welcoming as possible to our community. This month reminds me to love myself fully, and I believe that when women love themselves, they are the most magnificent forces in the world. Happy Asian American and Pacific Islander Month, and now go out and support your local businesses.